Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Led by a gold medal performance from Britany Anderson, Jamaica secured 3 more medals on Sunday as the final day of the World Under-18 Track and Field Championships in Nairobi, Kenya, to end with 8 medals overall.
Britany Anderson went into the World Under-18 Championships as the fastest in the girls' 100-meter hurdles field, a distinction taken away by France's Serena Samba Mayele, who clocked 12.98 in qualifying. Samba Mayele was drawn between the 2 Jamaicans in the final, with Desiree Freeman also strongly favoured to be in the medals. But in the race for gold, it was Anderson and the French girl all the way.
Away they go first time. Samba Mayele's going well, and she's just ahead of the 2 Jamaicans at the moment. But Britany Anderson is on her shoulder. Samba Mayele and Britany Anderson. Anderson's gone ahead, and she's going to win it. Samba Mayele is beaten. The time is 12.73, and that is a championship record.
Anderson was clocked at an amazing 12.72 seconds, but unfortunately she had a following wind of 4.1 meters per second, meaning fellow Jamaican Yannick Thompson's 12.94 from 2013 remains as the world youth best. Freeman also got on the medal rostrum after taking bronze in 13.09 seconds. Jamaica's other medal came in the mixed 4x400 relay. The team of girls 400 finalist Shaquina Foot, boys 400 4th place finisher Anthony Cox, girls 400 meter hurdles silver medalist Sanique Walker, and 400 boys champion Antonia Watson took silver in 3 minutes 22.23 seconds. Brazil held off Watson's late charge to snatch a surprise gold in 3 minutes 21.71 seconds.
He's stretching his legs. The Kenyans are coming for third, but the Brazilians are going to get gold in this mixed relay. It's Brazil, Jamaica, and third place goes to South Africa.
So with that, Jamaica ended 7th on the medal table with 8, 3 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze. They finished 1 medal short of their best ever haul of 9 in 2007 and 2011. Interestingly though, the 8 medals in this, the last edition of the championships, is the same number the country received in the event's first staging back in 1999. Ricardo Chambers, TVJ Sports.